Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how to register or enroll into an online banking account of Metro. I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So without wasting time, let's get started. Before you enroll or register into an online banking account of Metro or any other bank, make sure that you already have a bank account. Only then you'll be able to enroll or register into an online banking account. So in order to sign up, you need to open up your web browser, and then on the search box, you need to visit the link that is www.metrobank.com. I'll also make sure to leave the link on my description box below. As you type in the link, you'll be directed to the official site, and this is what the interface is going to look like. So right on top, you can see you have the account type as well. In case if you want to create different account type, you have the option, and after that you need to click on login in the top right, and as you click on login, you'll be directed to the login interface. If you already have an account on Metro Bank, then you need to type in your username and password associated with your Metro Bank and then tap on login. Since our video is based on how to register or sign up into an online banking account of Metro, you need to click on sign up in the left hand side corner. As soon as you click on sign up, you'll be directed to the enrollment page. So moving on with the enrollment process, first thing you need to do is enter your username. Also, you need to create a password, and then you need to enter your personal information, and under it you have the account information. As I've already mentioned before, that in case if you don't have an account on Metro Bank, then you'll not be able to register into an online banking account. So first thing you need to do is provide your mobile number. So select the country where you are residing, and after that you also need to enter the email address associated with your bank account. After you're done with all of these process, make sure to go through the terms and condition and then mark on the little box icon and click on next. Next interface, on the second step, you need to confirm it. So for the confirmation, a verification code or an email will be sent to an email or an SMS. So you need to enter the verification, and after that you've successfully verified your account. Fourth step, you need to create your passcode. So for the login information, so you need to create passcode as well as your user ID. If the provided information are correct, then you have successfully created your account. And that is how you can register or enroll into an online banking account of Metro. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.